That's bad, Ganesh. The first time to go in Indian, then you make me a diet. Uh, you don't buy me biryani, no? Ah, you will be married to, you will be ready to marry me again, a DJ. No, some Indians, hmm, like Abdul, no? Abdul has a store selling biryani, no? He keeps on saying that his biryani is really good. From Hyderabad. Ah, Ganesh. Let me taste the biryani because you know what? Someone gave me biryani here, no? Yeah, and it's really not good taste. Maybe because it's not a real one.